A deed conveys the title, gotta execute it right. Signed by the grantor to witnesses in sight. Present intent to convey, that's delivery's the key. Florida statutory deeds, a warranty, you see. 6 covenants and warranty, better know them all. Ceasing, conveying freedom from encumbrances, call quiet enjoyment. Warranty, further assurance to grantor guarantees the title, that's the deal for you. Restrictive covenants, a promise, running with the land. Writing intent, touch and concern, that's the plan. Horizontal and vertical privity, notice on the deed. Burden runs at law, injunctions what you need. Easement is the right to use, not to own the ground. The burden benefits land and grows as personal bounds. Abandonment needs intent, not just letting it lay. 7 years for adverse, 24 prescriptive way. Homestead properties protected, creditors can't touch. Spouse and kids surviving, spouse gets life estate as such. Remainder goes to children, that's the future interest plan. Life tenant can't commit waste upon the land. Voluntary waste is willful, permissive is neglect. Ameliorative raises value, but it's still waste. Correct tenancy by entirety needs a conveyance to the pair. Presumed for married couples, but check who owned it there. Restrictive covenants, a promise, running with the land. Writing intent, touch and concern, that's the plan. Horizontal and vertical privity, notice on the deed. Burden runs in law, injunctions what you need. Easement's a right to use, not to own the ground. A burden benefits land and grows as personal bound. Abandonment needs intent, not just letting it lay. 7 years for adverse, 24 prescriptive way. Now here's the twist on ethics. Listen to the firm. One lawyer's conflict spreads to all, that's the imputed term. Former client, same or similar matter, adverse interest too. Conflict exists unless informed consent comes through. Getting down, don't use the secrets that you know. Confidentiality's a duty that will never let you go. The whole firm's tainted by the conflict of just one. Informed consent in writing, that's how it gets undone. Restrictive covenants, a promise, running with the land. Writing intent, touch and concern, that's the plan. Horizontal and vertical privity, notice on the deed. Burden runs at law, injunctions what you need. Easement's a right to use, not to own the ground. A burden benefits land and grows as personal bound. Abandonment needs intent, not just letting it lay. 7 years for adverse, 24 prescriptive way. Deed, covenant, easement, homestead, life estate. Waste is voluntary, permissive, or it's ameliorate. Conflicts imputed firm-wide. Consent must be signed and clear. That's Florida property law, now going past this year.